So this is the actual color right here on this Fat Bob, white sand pearl. Yep, that's me up there with the drone. Then we're gonna go inside, check out all of the bikes. Yep, that's me up there with the drone. All right, welcome back everybody, Flying Ride here. I am headed over to Shoreline Harley Davidson. We're gonna go check out all of the 2022 new models that just came out. They had a shipment that they got recently, so I'm headed over there now, taking you with me to go check out the new colors, check out the new bikes. But also there's one specific color that I am particularly interested in, and that is the new color for 2022 called Sand White Pearl. Now I'm hoping that they have it there on at least one of the motorcycles. I'm not sure if they'll have it on any of the street glides or any of the road glides. But as you know, I have a 2020 street glide CVO Sand Dune, and the colors, at least on the videos and on the pictures that I've seen, they look really similar. So I want to go check it out for myself. I'm taking you with me. I'm going to show you the dealer from the top. As you can see, I have the drone here with me. I'm going to show you the dealer from the drone. Then we're going to go inside, check out all of the bikes, do a nice walk around, see this new color up close and personal, and then give you my thoughts on whether I think it's the same color as I have on my CVO, and or whether I think it's different enough. And by the way, the reason why that's at least important to me is one of the reasons, not the only reason, but one of the reasons why I bought this CVO when I did was because it had that color of sand dune, which supposedly only came out in the CVOs. And it's one of the reasons why I purchased a CVO. And of course, now if it's going to be available on all of the bikes, you know, the question is it even worth getting a CVO? So anyway, I'm taking you with me. We're going to go check it out. But more importantly, I want to show you all the bikes. There's some really, really cool colors that came out. It's starting to rain here a little bit, so I'm going to pull over here and land the drone, and then I'll catch up, and hopefully by the time we get there, the rain stops and I can show you the dealer from the top, and then I'll show you all the bikes. Stay tuned. Right there. All right, so I showed you a quick view of the dealer from the sky. Let's see which models of the 2022s they have here, and if they have this white sand pearl. Let's check it out. So we're inside. So let me show you all the bikes, and then I'll give you my overall thoughts once we get back into the car. This is the actual color right here on this Fat Bob, white sand pearl. All right, I'm back. So what did you think about all those colors? Man, I got to tell you, some of those colors look really, really awesome in person. As many videos as I've seen, as I'm sure you have too, of these 2022 models, do yourselves a favor, head over to the dealers and see them in person, because it makes a huge, huge difference. Frankly, I liked all of them. And you saw there was a lot of gunship grays, at least in this dealer. It seems like it's a popular color. And while they didn't have the Road Glide or the Street Glide in the sand white pearl, which I was looking forward to seeing, they did have that fat bob that I showed you there up close, and half of that bike was in that color. And look, I think when you look at it in person, there are some distinct differences, but it's very, very similar. Hence, they're two different colors. My bike is a sand dune, and that bike is a sand white pearl. So obviously there's some differences, but I'm not sure if I can tell the difference enough, frankly. And it looks pretty similar. So let me know down in the comments below. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna wrap up this video here in my garage. And the reason why I wanna do it is I wanna show you my bike again. And so you can let me know down what you think in the comments below and see if there's enough difference in this color. So let's go to my garage right now. So we're back in the garage. Let me show you this real quick. I'm gonna go back and forth. I'm gonna show you this, and I'm gonna switch to the other one, switch back, switch to the other one, and then we'll wrap this video up. So there you have it. I showed you the comparison between the two. Now look, face to face, there is, I think, distinct differences between these two colors, but on the video, honestly, I think it looks very, very similar. Let me know down in the comments below. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. There is obviously everybody knows this, but there is an announcement that's coming on January 26th. And I'm hopeful that as part of that announcement, they're gonna announce the new CVOs, perhaps maybe announce some other important announcements or changes. Look, I'm cautiously optimistic, but I proceed with a lot of trepidation in terms of expectations on them dramatically changing anything on the CVOs for the 2022 models. I do think, and let me know what you think down in the comments below. I do think, for me, and any future considerations, if in fact, you know, Harley is going to take the position where the colors that they have on the CVOs that are supposed to be only on CVOs 2 years later will now be on all of the bikes, it's just one less reason for me to actually purchase a CVO if I were to purchase one any in the future. I have zero regrets about this particular bike. I love this bike. I love this color. I love everything about it. I love the uniqueness of all of the emblems. I love all the other options that came with this bike. That's the reason why I purchased it. But all I'm saying is, in fact, this is the direction that they're going in. For me, it's one more reason to think long and hard on whether I would consider a CVO in the future. So again, let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.